In this video, I will show you how you can use Samsung Smart Switch on the Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now, the Samsung Smart Switch is an app designed by Samsung, so you could transfer data from your Samsung phone to any other device, whether it be an iPhone, an iPad, another Samsung phone, or any other Android phone. Or vice versa, you can even transfer data from your Android phone or your Apple device to your Galaxy phone. Now to use Samsung Smart Switch, first of all, just make sure that both of your devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Now after you connect both of the devices to the same Wi-Fi network, then just open the Google Play Store or the App Store if you're using an iPhone. And from there, just look for the Samsung Smart Switch app. Now just make sure that Samsung Smart Switch is installed on both devices. After that, just tap on Open. And after you open the app, now on the phone from which you want to transfer your data. Now for this video, I'll transfer some data from my Samsung Galaxy S26 to this Samsung phone. So I'll select Send from this phone on the Galaxy S26 and it will open the camera. And on the phone to which you want to receive your data, just select Receive on this phone. Now just select the model of your old phone. If you're transferring data from an iPhone, just select iPhone or iPad. But if you're transferring data from any other Galaxy phone or an Android phone, just select Android or Galaxy from here. And after you do that, it will show this QR code on the screen. Now currently we are using two Samsung phones, but if you're using an iPhone or any other Android phone to transfer data from or to your Samsung phone, it will ask you whether you want to transfer your data wirelessly or using a cable. I recommend you to use the wireless option since we are using it right now, but if you want to transfer your data using a cable, you can select the cable option. But since these two phones are Samsung phones, this option did not appear. And if you see that option, do not worry, just select the option which you prefer. Now after you see this QR code, now just use the other phone and scan this QR code. And after you scan the QR code, then it will take a few seconds for both of the phones to pair. And once the phones has paired, on the phone to which you want to receive your data, it will ask you what data you want to transfer. You can either select everything and you will transfer everything from your other phone to this phone, or you can select just accounts, calls, contacts, and messages. So it will just transfer these data. But if you want a custom option, just select Custom, then tap on Next. And from here you can select what data you want to transfer from this phone to this phone. You have the option for accounts, calls, contacts, messages, apps, and etc. Now for example, I'll select photos. Now after you select the data which you want to transfer, you can select multiple options like that, but I'll just select images and audio. Now after you select the data which you want to transfer, then just scroll down and tap on transfer. Now it will take a few seconds to a few minutes to transfer your data. And as you can see, the process has been completed. Now just tap on Done and select Next. Then tap on Done. Now if we go to the home screen and if we check the data which we have transferred, as you can see, we have successfully transferred all the selected data from this phone to this phone. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.